Welcome. How's everyone feeling today? So I'm just popping on here now to do a little mini live demo of 3 colors. So what I'm going to be showing today is April in Madrid, Flawless, and Sandcastles. And these all come from the neutrals, golds, and brown family. Just having my cup of tea here now, so I'm good. So I hope your day is all going good so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these back first. And we'll start with April in Madrid. So I went ahead and pre-applied a base coat to get us started onto the nail stick. And as you can see, it's a peachy tone. It's a beautiful color. And April in Madrid doesn't have any shimmer, glitter, or sparkle. It's just a gorgeous color. I'll show you the color. So creamy consistency with more of a peachy tone. Peachy pink, I call it. So we'll put some on so you can see what it's like going on. Drop a little emoji in the comments to let me know how you're feeling today. Or a little comment. Sometimes it's nice to see that people are on so that I know that I'm on live. But it's saying I'm live here now, so I'm going to go ahead. So again, very easy application. You're applying a thin coat covering all parts of the nail. And you're stretching the polish from bottom to top. Always keep in mind to honor the gap between your cuticle and your nail. Now you might not be able to see this, but I see a little fiber there. So this is the good thing about this polish. You keep smoothing it out till you get to the top. And if you see the fiber, you can remove it before you cure. I can see it there now. It happens easily, you know. Like I had all these pre-wiped down with a cleansing wipe, which has a little bit of alcohol in it. But there's things, dust particles and things in the air that we have no control over. So the nice thing about this is you can have all this fixed before you put it under the light. It's very forgiving. So you cap your tip. This is a great way to seal in your polish and you'll get a longer wear. Now, of course, I'm being very particular here now, but the better you apply, the better it will last. Okay, so I'm going to pop that one in under the light. And I've referenced the legend on the top of the color charts several times. So you will see a star legend. 1 star means subtle shimmer, 2 stars means medium glitter, and 3 stars mean strong sparkle. Now, April in Madrid doesn't have any stars. Because April in Madrid is just a regular color with no shimmer, glitter, or sparkle. So for the description, it says, soak up the springtime majesty of Madrid with this sweet peachy polish, perfect for a sunny day. So it's almost cured there now. It is a very unique color, and it complements all skin tones. I see we have a few people popping on. Hi, Michelle. How are you feeling today? Okay, here's April in Madrid. So as you can see, the color speaks for itself. This is a polish that does not need any shimmer, glitter, or sparkle. It just is quite good on its own. Okay, so we're going to move along to Flawless next. Now, Flawless, I have this pre-coated here with a coat. Flawless has a subtle shimmer. So on the legend, it has 1 star. And you can see through under the light here, there's a little bit of shimmer. It's a gorgeous color. And this one does complement, again, all skin tones. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you have a dark complexion, medium, or light complexion. This will be complementary to your skin tone. And I also have it on here on my thumbs, but I have Sandcastles over the top, and we're going to talk about Sandcastles next. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a coat of Flawless. This is like a rose gold as well. I can see some rose gold in it. So if you really like rose gold, you can see it here now. You would like this color. You can see it has a bit of shimmer. Okay, so now you don't need too much on your brush, so I'm going to fix this here. Hold on a second. Some people, when they first start out, make that mistake. They go ahead and apply a great big thick coat for their first coat, and then it ends up peeling. You don't want that. So you're better off with 2 or 3 thin coats, but you have to cure now in between each coat. And you're better off with 2 or 3 thin as opposed to 1 very thick. So as you can see, it's an easy to apply polish. And you have to give it a few seconds to level itself out. Another perk. And you can see on this side of the brush there's a little bit of polish. So then you cap your tip and you just take your brush sideways and gently go across. It's okay if you fool up the coating on the edge here, because you're going to go over it one more time. And another good tip is when you go from your cuticle to the top, instead of using the very tip of the brush, use the side of your brush and gently smooth it out. Gives it a nice soft finish. Really, really nice color. Okay, so that's starting to look good there now. You always close your cap before you turn on your light. Give it a few seconds to level out. And then you put it under the light. So while that's curing, I'm going to read you the description. Flawless. Can there be a more perfect color? Gorgeous on any skin tone. This shimmery yet subtle natural polish can be dressed up or down and still be the talk of the town. So you can see that from the polish, it can be good for a natural look, but it can also be for if you're going out to an event or something fancy along those lines, because where it has the shimmer in it, it can be dressed up or down. So it's almost finished there now. When we do Sandcastles, this is Sandcastles. You can see very strong sparkle in this one. So that's a 3-star because it has strong sparkle. And I'm going to be putting another coat on so you can see what Sandcastles looks like on its own. So here's Flawless, a beautiful rose gold shimmery polish, a subtle shimmer. Okay, so let's do Sandcastles next. This will be the last one for today. And like I said, I have Flawless with Sandcastles over it on my thumb, but this is Sandcastle right now on its own. That's just one coat. So I'm going to put another coat on, and you can see rose gold in this as well, and you can see the subtle sparkle. Strong sparkle. And there is a technique to applying these polishes that have the sparkle and the glitter in them. So I'll show you how to do that now. So here's Sandcastles. You can see the sparkle. And also in the sparkly ones, they're not as thick and creamy. They're a little bit, I guess, less thick, so not as strong of a consistency, but they're still easy to apply. So what you do, you get your polish on your brush, and you're going to dab your sparkle on in place first. Okay, so you just lightly dab over the nail, because what you're doing, you're placing the sparkle all over. You're evenly distributing it all over. Then you take your brush, and again on the side, not the tip, you're going to gently smooth it out. And this way you're not going to drag all the sparkles to the top. A lot of people first, when they get it and they're not sure of how to apply it, make that mistake. So sometimes we get lots of customers and clients contacting us asking what's wrong with the glitter, because what they're doing is they're dragging it up with the tip of the brush and all the glitter ends up on the top or wiped off the nail. So you dab and then you smooth it out. Gorgeous color here. And then see this little bit of polish here up near the top? I'm going to use that to gently cap. So you just gently go across and then smooth it out one more time. Okay, then you wait for it to level out a little bit. You can see now with the second coat it really brings out the sparkle. Okay, so I'm going to put that under the light. Sandcastles. Take a hiatus from the responsibilities of life to enjoy the good things and kick back on the shore. Gone to the beach, we're building sandcastles. I think I'd like to be doing that right now. So while that's curing, I'm going to put these back now so we can compare the colors. They're all from the same family, neutrals, golds, and browns. And the nice thing about that color family is they go with all fashion, all colors. They're pretty adaptable. And like I said, I do have the Flawless and the Sandcastles on my thumbs here. But I have Eye to My Soul on these nails. And then that's an accent nail with the foil, which I'm going to be showing in a video later on. So that's Champagne Toast with a little bit of Sandcastle mixed in. I don't know if you can see this. That's a foil using the chromes. You can make a foil out of the chromes. And that's Flawless with Sandcastle on the top. So just like my thumbs, I put a little bit up here. But it does, as you can see, like say if we were talking about fashion, if you had on some teal, like a teal sweater or something with teal in it, Flawless would go nicely with it, even April in Madrid or Sandcastles. So you can see the possibilities here with different things that you're going to wear. Okay, that's done there now. So that's the Sandcastles. Really, really, really nice. So hopefully you can see the color comparison here. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I think that's it for today. So hopefully now you'll enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.